Good afternoon, everyone. Yesterday we learned about the national festivals of India, Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Today we are going to learn about the religious festivals of India. Religious festivals are nothing but these festivals are celebrated by a particular religious group. For example, Christmas. Christmas is mostly celebrated by Christians. Eid is mostly celebrated by Muslims. Diwali, Holi, they are all celebrated mostly by the Hindu community. So these are called religious festivals of India. So because India has different people belonging to different religious groups, there are a lot of festivals in India. So let us look at some of them. So first one is Eid. Eid is usually celebrated by the Muslim community. So there is a story to each festival. So Eid is celebrated in remembrance of an event which took place so many years ago. So many years ago there was a man whose name was Ibrahim. He was a very good man. He used to help others. He used to pray every day, listen to God. So one day he was sleeping and in his dream God, Allah, appeared and told Ibrahim to take his son to a hill next day and kill the son. So the son was really small kid. Ibrahim, without hesitating, next day morning, he woke up, he took his son, put him on a donkey, and they started traveling towards the hill. Once they reached the top of the hill, Ibrahim took his son and took out his knife, and he was almost going to kill his son. Then he heard God, Allah, tell him, Ibrahim, I am so happy with you that you obeyed me. You did not doubt your God. So do not kill your son. I am going to give you a lamb to kill and share it with your family. So Eid is a celebration of remembrance of that event. Okay. The next one is Dasera. Dasera is usually celebrated by the Hindu community. It is mostly celebrated in the northern part of India and not very much observed in the southern India. So the story of Dasera is that so many years ago there was Ram and Lakshman. They were two brothers. So Ram was married to Sita. They were sent away from home for 14 years. They had to go and live in the forest for 14 years. So while they were living in the forest, one day a very bad person called Ravan. So this is Ravan. He has 10 heads. So Ravan came and he kidnapped Sita. So Ram and Lakshman, they fought Ravan, and Ram killed Ravan and saved Sita. So Dasera is the festival of remembrance of that event when Ram killed Ravan and saved Sita. The next religious festival is Diwali. So Diwali is a celebration where Ram, Sita and Lakshman, they came home to their house in Ayodhya after 14 years. After they lived in the forest for 14 years, they came home to Ayodhya. So when they came back, the people were so happy. They decorated all the places with lamps and lights. So that is the festival called Diwali. Next is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival celebrated usually by the Hindu community in the northern part of India. Usually it is not celebrated in southern India. So in this festival, a sister ties a rakhi. It is like a small bracelet made of glittery things and thread and all that. So sister ties a rakhi on the wrist of the brother, and the brother promises to protect the sister all the time. Okay, so that is Raksha Bandhan. So the first Raksha Bandhan was celebrated so many years ago. So there was a princess called Draupadi, and there was Lord Krishna. Okay, Lord Krishna, one day he cut his wrist by accident and he was bleeding. So Draupadi, she suddenly tore a strip from her shawl and she tied it across the wrist to stop bleeding. And then that was the first Rakhi. So Lord Krishna promised to look after Draupadi all time. Okay, so that is Raksha Bandhan. Okay, so these are the first 4 religious festivals of India. Thank you.